Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be making a Winston, a Crazy Winston, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to write text on JavaScript or on Khan Academy. So let's get started. But before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and turn on post notifications and subscribe and share this video with family and friends if you guys enjoyed. So let's get started. So I opened up a new program here, and it's going to be Crazy Winston. So first, we obviously have to do the background because we don't want it to be a plain background. So we're going to do background. Now I'm going to pick a color. Let's do red. Let's keep red because his facial features are going to be different. Now let's do his face. Ellipse. Well, first we have to do fill. Let's do green. Let's do dark green. There we go. Oh, he won't look so bad. Now ellipse. Don't forget the semicolon. Let's see what happens without the semicolon. I'll show you guys what happens. It's basically going to be a syntax error, so that won't be good. I just put random stuff here. So, okay, first, I spelled this wrong, so I gotta fix that, but that's fine. And look, it looks like you're missing a semicolon. When I put a semicolon, it's like it ends the code, so the computer knows that it's supposed to pop up. So I'm gonna make my ellipse pretty big. Alright, now I'm just gonna make it a lot bigger because it's too small. Move it down a bit. Alright, so we have his face ready. He's looking really sick right now without the eyes. Okay, now I'm going to do left eye. Go again. We'll do yellow for these. His face is supposed to be yellow. Lips. Parentheses. Semicolon. Let's do 55, 65, 75, and 85. There's our eye. So we're going to make this pretty small. Not that small, just a little bit. And there's our eye. Let's make it pretty bigger because the face is really big. Alright, now we're going to just copy. I'm just going to copy and paste these two code lines, so we don't have to do it again and find the exact shape. We could do one big eye or one small eye. It's your choice. I'm gonna do same, both eyes same, so it's right on top of this. That's why you can't see it. But if you move it, there's two. So I'm just gonna put it where I want. So this is the right eye. So this is my right. So where I'm putting it, that's correct. So Winston has both of his eyes looking that way, so we can put them like that. You could put them either side. I just like to make him look a little bit like Winston, especially if we're not making him look like Winston. So I'm gonna do them now. If you guys watched one of my earlier videos, I think I did make a Winston, like I showed you guys how to make an actual Winston. If you guys want to see how to make an actual Winston, I'll put that in the description down below. It's basically the same thing, it's just a little bit different with the colors. So, and I don't want to put a red mouth because Winston's mouth is normally that, so we're going to put teal or light blue. Ellipse, parentheses, semicolon, 45, 55, 25, 75. Never forget to put a comma. So it's a little bit different with JavaScript and Python, because Python, you can't really put spaces that much in your code. It depends, but with JavaScript, it doesn't matter. So So now we have our Winston done. So now I'm going to show you how to make the text for Winston. Okay, so I'll come back to you for the next step. Alright, so text is actually pretty easy. It's the same thing. We have to put fill unless you don't want color. It's just going to show up as white, so we won't be able to see it. If we don't put fill, we can still see it if you have a colored background, because we have red, because it's going to be white. But I'm going to put a fun color, so I'm going to put orange. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I'll put kind of dark blue. Now we have to do text size capital S. Make sure you put the semicolon at the end. And now we're going to put, let's do 40. Oh, I wrote text size. So let's write text. There we go. And now let's do the actual text. So we have to put parentheses, semicolon. Let's do the message. First, we have to put quotation marks. Never forget to put quotation marks. Quotation marks is like known to write dialogues. That's why we put the quotation marks in the code. So let's do, hi, I'm Winston. Nice to meet you. Alright, we have our text. Now I'm going to put the X parameter, Y parameter, width and height. Those are required. So I'm going to put X parameter and Y parameter and see if it works, and then I'll put width and height if it doesn't work. So let's do 45, 50, 60, 75. Alright, so you don't put the width and height. Let's see if that works. Doesn't work. So I found the mistake. So I was supposed to end the quote with some quotation marks. Alright, so now that I found the mistake, I know what happened, and the text is finally here. So our text is pretty big, so let's try 14. Okay, there we go. It's pretty big. Now, let's make it a little bigger. There we go. And now we can move it to the middle. And now we have a Crazy Winston. And we are now going to spin this program off as Crazy Winston. Now other people can see my post. And yeah. And we have our new program. That's it. So before I go, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, all of them. Make sure you guys like, and if you guys enjoyed, share this video with friends, family, cousins, other people. So yeah, bye guys.